In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up PNC Mobile Banking account using a mobile banking application. So in order to get started and enroll with PNC Mobile Banking, first, make sure that you have the PNC Mobile Banking application downloaded on your mobile device. Once you have it, launch it open. Now, your application's first interface should look like this. Here, you can go ahead and sign into your existing account, create a new account, and much more. To sign up for a new account, tap on Yes, but I don't have a user ID button. On the next page, tap on Enroll at the bottom left-hand corner. You need to confirm your information, and on the next page, you need to go ahead and enter some of your information. Select one of the ID type that can help in identifying your PNC account. Select between Social Security number, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, Employer Identification Number, and PNC Online and Voice Banking User ID. Select any one ID type that you can provide, or if you don't have any of these ID, you can tap on this circle at the bottom. If you don't have any of your IDs, then you'll need to provide your passport number, PNC account number, or personal debit card number in the text boxes. To verify your information, you can select your PNC debit card PIN, online access PIN, or a one-time passcode sent to your mobile number. If you have one of the identification information at the top, simply make a selection and enter the information accordingly. If you've selected Social Security number, you'll need to type in your Social Security number and so on. After entering the Social Security number, enter your PNC account number or personal debit card number on the next field under account information. Now, select one of the options at the bottom to verify your information. Here I'm going to select the one-time passcode sent to your phone option, which will then bring up the phone or mobile option. Here you'll need to type in your mobile number or your phone number and click next. After you tap on next, it'll take you to a new page where you'll need to provide additional information including your full name, date of birth, email address, and so on. Also, you'll need to create a username and password for your mobile banking account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to create a new account for PNC Mobile Banking. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.